Posted a Telegram story by mistake or just want to remove it before time runs out? No worries, in this quick and easy tutorial I will show you how to delete your Telegram story in seconds. So hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to delete the Telegram story very quick and easy way. So let's start the video. Open the Telegram app first and you will be on the home page of your Telegram. Then tap on your profile picture or the menu icon to navigate to your profile page, and then here you will see the three dots. A pop-up option will appear showing the different settings like edit story, remove from profile, save image, hide my view and delete option. Simply click on the last option, delete, and confirm your decision. So that's how you can delete your Telegram story in very quick and easy way. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.